Looking for flexible audio connection options? The JND 3.5mm to 3 RCA female adapter cable gives you a versatile connectivity with professional-grade performance. The unique 3 RCA female design allows you to extend existing RCA cables or convert connection types, making it perfect for custom audio setups. Like our male version, it maintains precise channel separation with white left, red right, and yellow for video ports corresponding to the 3.5mm TRRS contacts. Built with durable copper shell shielding, this adapter resists interference, while the corrosion-resistant gold plating ensures long-lasting performance. The OMTP compatible design works bi-directional, letting you connect 3.5mm devices to RCA equipments or vice versa. Please note, this adapter isn't compatible with certain Sony TV models and camcorders. Whether you're setting up a home theater, recording studio, or custom audio system, this professional adapter provides the flexible, premium connection solution you need.